Hey, this is Brett, the Hoosier Carnivore, coming at you from my deck here. We're going to grill some smash burgers today. I'm going to show you guys how I do smash burgers on my 36-inch griddle. It's really a great piece of equipment, and we'll bring that to you here in a few. Let's give you a quick update on my exercise. I've been walking just about every morning, 2 to 3 miles. Doing my push-ups. I'm up to about 38 push-ups, and I tell you what, that second set is getting tougher to do every time, but we're doing it. And right now I am fasting along with Carrie from Homestead How, Bill Knott, and Jeff, who is going through cancer treatments. If you want to hear more about Jeff, tune in to Homestead How and watch Carrie's video. He did an interview with Jeff, very inspirational. Has gone through 24 or 25 cancer treatments, and he's been fasting. It's been helping him get through it. So, you know, in support of him, I joined in with Carrie doing a 5-day fast. Started Sunday night, and this is Wednesday evening, so we're 3 days in to the fast. And yeah, I'm cooking dinner for the family here, and you know what? It don't bother me. I ain't hungry. It's all good. I'm 3 days fasted. The whole hunger thing is over with. For me, on fasting, the first 2 days are the toughest, and then day 3, 4, 5, and on from there, pretty easy. Didn't feel hungry at all today. Just drank my water, and we're good to go. Got 2 more days. I'm going to break my fast on Friday before our bass fishing tournament. So next time I'm going to eat is going to be a big steak dinner at a restaurant up in northern Indiana with my bass fishing brothers. So looking forward to that. And here, we'll get to cooking these burgers and show you how I do smash burgers. First thing you need when you're doing smash burgers is you need good equipment, and I got this spatula off of Amazon, and this burger press made by HULISEN. If you can see it, it's probably backwards in the camera, but it's a very nice quality stainless steel burger press that works really well for doing these smash burgers. We're going to take our burgers. We got our grill good and hot. I'm going to reposition you guys so you can see more of the burgers and a little less of me. So there we go. Making burgers for the family tonight. Smash burger style. Hear that sizzle? It's a beautiful thing. Smash burgers generally work a little better when you have a smaller piece of meat, but this is what we had, so this is what we're doing. Smash them down, just like that. Maybe get a little more, and they'll shrink back up. Smash that one down. Smash that one down. Smash them. I'm going to reposition this guy over here. Got to have enough room to smash. Here we go. Let those cook for a few minutes. And if you're wondering what I put down on my grill before I started grilling, and that would be bacon fat. Yeah, bacon fat. Good. So what you gotta do, wait for them to cook. They'll start to brown a little bit on the bottom, and that's when you know they're ready to flip. You'll see some bubbles coming up through the burgers. See if we can get you guys in there for a closer look. You can see how it's starting to bubble up through. That means they're getting close. Put you back here. All right. So we're just going to check one. This is why you want this big spatula. You want to just kind of shuffle it under there like that and check it. And there we go. That's a perfect burger. We're going to get under it, get under it, get under it. Flip it. Perfect burger. Pick up a little bit of that. Get under it. Flip it. Perfect smash burger. There we go. It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Boom. Alright, you can see how those browned up real nice. There you go, reposition. Now we take our cheese. You know, this doesn't make me hungry at all. I think it's fun. I really enjoy it. We're going to cheese these. This is Kraft American cheese. As far as American cheese goes, these probably have some of the little better ingredients than some of the other cheaper ones out there. And yeah, they're going to have a bun with these. I'm the only one. Well, my mother, she's doing kind of a keto diet, so she's not having a bun. But my wife and son, they're both having buns with their burgers. We already got their buns good and toasted. And we'll be putting the burgers right on the buns, and they'll be ready to serve up. There we go. You just basically just cook those until your cheese melts. These burgers are a little bigger, so we're going to give them a little more time. Probably just a couple more, just another minute or so. I just wanted to show you, I'm wearing, you can see I'm just going to show off a little bit. I'm looking pretty good, pretty happy with my results so far. I weighed in today, did lose some weight, but not going to tell you how much. I'm going to wait until I'm done fasting and let you know how much weight I lost. All right, let's get these burgers off, feed them to the family, and I can go back and relax. That's it. That's pretty much how you do smash burgers on the grill. It's not tough, so give it a try. If you don't have a griddle, you can do it with a griddle on your stovetop, or you can do it in a cast iron pan on the stove. Just got to use the right amount of beef, usually a quarter of a cup of beef or a third of a cup, and then just smash that sucker. All right, so this has been Hoosier Carnivore. I wanted to nominate a Hoosier Carnivore. Haven't done that in the last couple videos. That's going to be Kerry from Homestead How. He gave me a couple shout outs in his videos about fasting. I really appreciate that. Kerry, if you see this video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot.